Hi, I'm Tiki Bar Sam, and we are in Sam's Tiki Bar. And today we are going to make the Island Storm Runner. Yes, it's original. The Island Storm Runner. What's in this, Sam? What's in this magical drink? I'll tell you what's in this drink. 2 ounces of dark rum. That's what it starts off with. So you know it's going to be good. 2 ounces? That's a lot, says everyone, and including me. But after today, I think I deserve it. 2 ounces of Gosling's Dark Rum. I'm already excited. Let's just put this into our little shaker cup. Boom. Now we have to add some lime juice. So how much lime juice do we have to do? 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. So let's put in 3/4 an ounce of lime juice. Here we are. Excellent. Then what we're going to put in is, I think we're going to put in 2 ounces of pineapple juice. So you know what? I love this pineapple juice. This pineapple, and it lasts a long time. The expiration date's like 2027. I mean, it's fantastic. So let's put in 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Here we go. Excellent. Now what we have to do is we got to shake it. So that's nice and cold. All right. Did you guys notice I'm getting better at this? Pop it right off. It took me forever to learn. Anyway, let's pour this into a rocks glass. Here we are. It already looks fantastic. But then what we have to do is we have to top it off with some ginger beer. And you know, I am a huge ginger beer fan. You know what I want to do? Let's mix it just a little bit with a spoon, just to get that ginger beer in there and make it nice and homogeneous. Island Storm Runner. This already looks delicious. I know it's going to be good. Here we go. Let's taste it. Down in the basement, there's a neon glow, palm trees painted on the wall just so. Hula girl swaying on a bamboo stand. That's where you'll find the magic hands of Sam. He's got a bottle of This is perfect. This is the perfect tiki bar drink. You know how I made this? I asked ChatGPT. I said, "Okay, I've got rum, pineapple juice, lime juice, and ginger beer. Make me a drink." And this is what it made me. The Island Storm Runner. I even said, give me a cool tiki bar name. Island Storm Runner. This is perfect. Not too sweet. It's got a nice little zing to it. I love it. So, what movie am I going to recommend today? Mercy. With Chris Pratt in it. He's in it. I heard it's good. I haven't seen it. But I'm going to watch it today. One of my friends said, Sam, watch Mercy. I said, okay. And now I'm going to watch it. And I'm also going to have this drink. What did I call it? The Island Storm Runner. The Island Storm Runner. Oh. This is a go-to. This is Tiki Bar Sam wishing you a happy Saturday and a happy weekend, and enjoy yourself. Get out there and enjoy some sunshine. Okay. See you next week. This is Tiki Bar Sam. Have a great day.